and chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have PJ back with us for his 8th and final adjustment for this particular week's treatment of twice a day for 4 days in a row. PJ, how's everything done for you so far?
It's been great. It's been the best experience I've had with a chiropractor, bar none, hands down.
Great. Yeah. Do you feel like this adjustment's more comprehensive than what you've had in the past?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, without a doubt.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Good. Three-dimensionally, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, let's take a look, show them how we do that. Let's have you flex forward and backwards. And then back to neutral. You know, some idiot just left us a 1-star review on Google saying that I wasn't the developer of the ring dinger, and I'm the one that actually did develop it and name it. But some troll got on there. I've already blackballed them on Google, so.
Maybe you can get it just removed in some way.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Yeah.
Because he's not even a patient here.
Mm.
We have 5-star reviews from all of our patients that actually are patients here, and then some of these trolls.
Yeah, I remember when I saw the chiropractor back home, a lot of them, they just give a review based off of, you know, maybe like just the friendliness or, you know, the camaraderie of it, but not too much on like actually getting well.
Right.
And so it can be kind of like deceiving in that way.
Well, if you see our reviews, they're mostly real patients with real life-changing stories to tell.
That's what you need.
Yep. That's what got me into chiropractic. I knew I was going to be a chiropractor in the 8th grade because, you know, my asthma completely went away from the 6th grade from an accident that I had. I didn't have asthma as a baby, but I fell off the couch playing with my sister in the 6th grade and went to Palmer graduate in the 8th grade. And within 3 months' time, no more asthma, no more allergies, no more pills, no more medical doctors. So I knew in the 8th grade I did not want to be a medical doctor and wanted to be a chiropractor. There's no question that one went all the way down. They were a little worried about you the other day. There you go. You're still kicking though. No, I got one more. Tilt right a little. There you go. Okay. I can tell when I don't get them all. So you going back up to Maryland? What's the temperature like up there now?
It's like 30.
30. Okay, let's come over here. What's it, 70 here today? Kind of rainy and cloudy out, but it's still pretty warm. You okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go ahead and lay
Oh,
on
you
this
take your breath at me.
Yep. Legs are even. There we go. They do not teach that manual spinal decompression at Palmer or any other chiropractic college today, but they're going to whenever I get my table done and made out in the chiropractic colleges. So whoever that was, if you read that 5-star review on Google, flag that for Google for me if you would, please, as a hateful, inappropriate comment, because that'll get them to remove it if enough people do that. I think most people can tell when they go to read reviews if they're patients or not, real patients. There you go. gonna sit you up and face out the window. You're gonna face this way, I'm sorry. And turn the other way. It's like the sun's trying to pop through.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Good job.
Who's been on the money this week?
Yes, sir. Every one of them.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you spend a lot of time, effort, and money coming here to Houston all the way from Maryland. Has it been worth the trip for you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. I was telling you, I don't know if I can say it on camera, but you're just that whole thing with the contract with that chiropractor.
Oh yeah, you tell them about that.
Yeah. Well, a lot of times.
You went to a chiropractor who tried to make you sign some long-term contract for like 3 times a week for 3 months or 6 months or something?
Yeah. So what I did was, and it was all based off the reviews. They had 61 like 5-star reviews, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is probably the place to get well. And so what I did was, I went in there, got a free consultation, and they sat me down. They said, all right, what we can do is we can get rid of the pain. That's the easy part. The harder part will be to maintain
Correcting
it. No, they said that we can correct it, but it'll just be maintaining it. But anyways, they showed me the payment plan. It was $480 a month for 6 months. It was just under $3,000, and I thought that's what I had to put on the table to get well.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, oh man, well, I mean, I guess if this is what it takes, then that's what I'll do. And so, I went through it. They had three services a week. One was a chiropractic in the beginning, and then the second half was a physical therapy. And I did 18 sessions in total, and nothing changed. And I just felt so awkward filling out the form and telling them like how my body's adjusting, because it wasn't adjusting.
Right.
And so I say that because make sure you
don't fall for those 3 times a week for 6 month prepayment contract scams.
Exactly. Get yourself in front of someone who really cares for you, and someone who you'll get adjusted properly. And I'm here firsthand to say Dr. Johnson will do that for you. It may not feel like the most pleasant thing, but it's going to be worth it. For sure you're getting adjusted and your body's changing, and I couldn't be any more of a supporter than I am.
Well, thank you. It's one of those hurt so good treatments,
Yeah.
huh?
Yes, sir. That's
Great.
right.
It's the only place in town you can get beat up and feel better and pay for it. It's still legal. Alright. Plus, we like to have a sense of humor in here, too.
That's right.
Flex you forward and backwards. But we do take your health seriously here. Boy, look at that, man. You're perfect right down the center everywhere.
Yes, sir.
So, these 8 treatments that I've adjusted you on, and I've adjusted you only, we haven't done any physical therapy modalities like E-stim or hot packs or roller tables or diathermy or any of that stuff, traction machines. I've done it all with my hands. Would you say that your results are better here in these 8 treatments than they were in the months of chiropractic care that you had previously?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And I didn't pay you to say that, did I?
No, sir.
All right. Thanks for visiting us all the way from Maryland, and thanks for sharing your experience with everyone.
Yes, sir.
This is your Houston chiropractor and PJ coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.